It is our heartfelt privilege and honor to welcome our guiding light of the Amity universe, our venerated Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are truly grateful for your guidance and blessings. A very warm and heartful welcome to you, ma'am. Let's begin this enriching interaction with you, our guiding light, ma'am.
Ma'am, looking back at your leadership journey, would you say there has been any experience which profoundly shaped your vision of education and the young people?
I tell you, I started my career in 1991. Before that, I was a homemaker. Can you imagine? We started our school in Saket 1991. For that, you have to have the courage, no?
Yes, ma'am.
1991, I was in Germany that time. We started our foundation. When we started our foundation, then we started the school. 1981, we started the foundation, Ritanand Balwad Education Foundation. In 1991, we started the Amity International School, Saket. That time I was in India. I came here in 1994. So then I saw actually running a school. Before that, my children were studying in Frankfurt International School. I saw the running school of Germany. But when I started my career from Amity International School, Saket. So that was a big challenge. It was not easy. For that, you have to have the courage.
Yes.
You have to learn everything. How you appoint a teacher, how to interact with the children also for the school. So there were so many challenges, but I had a courage. I never, because I'm a fearless person. I'm very fearless. I don't have any fear because I don't do wrong things. That's why I'm fearless. जब fearless होता है तो you can learn, go to any extent and learn. And I had the desire to learn. I'm always a learner. Always a learner. I was in Germany. I was just 21 years now. That time the Europe was very different than nowadays. When you see the Europe. That was 91. No, 71. 72 I went to Germany. Can you imagine? 72. Germany was so different. And then you have to learn German language. You have to learn driving there in that country. So I did it because I was fearless. To run a school in India is not easy. So you have to learn from the beginning. I learned from everything from the beginning. What a school is. So these are my challenges. But I could do it because of my courage and because of support of my family. My family is so important. Support of my husband, who is a founder, and support from my children, who are now the chancellor and the director and the chairperson and the chairman of the different institute. Every child supported me. But I had the challenge coming to India back after 25 years.
Yes.
I have to run my home, I have to run my school, I have to learn in both the places.
Yes.
In both the places, not only one place, both the home and the school, my workplace. Because I always thought, this is my schools are my Karam Bhumi, I have to work for it, and my family, I love my family and I love my school. Both the things I loved. So God gave me courage.
Yes.
Because I'm very spiritual also. Very spiritual. So that made the difference in me.
Ma'am, what qualities do you hope Amitans will have long after they leave the school gates?
The qualities are the same. Any time, any century, qualities have to be the same. The work, believe in yourself, work hard, respect others, care for others, love love yourself and love the others. The quality life में centuries कहीं भी होगा, any century, any decade, the qualities have to be the same. All the Amitians should understand. You can be good at academics, you can have 100% in your math, science, English, any subject. Now this year, 2 of our Amity children got 500 out of 500. It is very good, it's a proud moment, but the values have to be respect for others, care for the others, respect your country, love your country. Okay. Listen to your parents and work hard. You have to give your 100% whatever you do. So these qualities, I wish, I hope, we work for all your principal, anybody, our Amitians should imbibe these qualities with. ठीक है ना? Because as a child, you are the ambassador of your school, you are the ambassador of your family, and you are the ambassador of your country. What a big responsibility you have. That's why we say Amitians are the responsible children. Amitians are the best because they are responsible children towards their school, towards their family, and towards their country.
Thank you for such an insightful
Very good
answer,
question.
ma'am.
Very good. Both of you answered
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
question.
So, ma'am, there's a question I've been wanted to ask you since a very long time. So, ma'am, how do experiential learning opportunities like F1 in schools help us for qualities in the future, for opportunities, challenges, obstacles, anything?
No, I tell you, Katya, it's so important. Like while you are doing your Formula 1, so what are you learning? You are learning engineering, you are learning designing, you are learning marketing, you are learning your communication skills. So you are learning from this class so young, at a young age. And it will help you when you go to your college and further in your life. You are already learning those things what you will learn in your college. किसको चांस मिलता है कि do the Formula 1 in the school? Do you know how we started the Formula 1? No, कहते हैं I was in Germany and my son did the Formula 1 in the school. So when I was in India, I always wished कि Formula 1 India में आए, that we can give this opportunity to our children in Amity. So when I came to know 10 years back कि Formula 1 is in India, happening in India, so I think so Amity was the first one to do the participation in this school, in Amity schools. Now in all the Amity schools, we are having Formula 1 because it is an experiential learning, it is an hands-on activity. You have to go for your sponsorship. So you are learning the social skill. You are talking to the people. You are asking for your sponsorship. कर रहे हैं ना आप लोग? Yes. So it's a great learning. You are nowadays world has become very competitive. ठीक है ना? Children are getting good marks, but what other than good marks? Your communication skills, using the right words, respecting others. So these skills, as the chairperson of Amity schools and all the principals, we want to give you. We want to have that our children they have the possibilities other than from other children.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your insightful words.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. There was a question I wanted to ask you. What has been the greatest sense of pride that you have felt when you have seen students participating in competitions and taking leadership roles?
No, it's the greatest, happiest moment. I tell you, you cannot imagine when our children achieve, when you achieve, whether it is in academics or extracurricular activities. Then when we come to my home and I will be talking to everyone, मेरे Amitians को ये they have won there, they have won for the Wharton Business School, they have won for the NASA, they have won in international level for Formula 1. You know, Pushpa School has won twice project management when they went to, I think, Singapore. So they won in the project management and the last year in sustainable development. Yes. So it is the happiest moment for me. I work for you. I work for my amateur. And if you achieve, then this is the proudest moment for. I work as a mother and a chairperson. I don't work as a chairperson, but I work as a mother. No, आपके जब घर में कोई जीत के आता है तो how your mother feels? कैसे feel करती है? And your
Very
father?
happy, ma'am.
They're very happy, no? The same way. I am also happy because my amateurs have achieved what they wanted.
Ma'am, failure and setbacks often lead to success. What's your advice on this?
At your age, लगता है कि फेल हो गए हैं तो कहते हैं तो सारी दुनिया ही चली गई है। नो, आप पढ़ेंगे जब तो आगे पता चलेगा कि फेलियर के साथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती हैं। When you are not succeeding, चाहे वो स्कूल के मार्क्स हों, any achievement competition you go, so you think you have lost, but no. Then you have again the desire to do better. होता है ना? तो failure के साथ opportunities come. ठीक है? कहते हैं you should not feel bad. You should feel bad, but not discouraged.
How can schools create an environment in wherein innovation can impact the schools? Innovation and curiosity can impact the
Your school, like Pushpya, your principal says creating histories, no?
Yeah.
हाँ, कितना innovation होता है स्कूल में? A lot. कहाँ से आ रहा है? Because we started Vasudha.
Yeah.
All of you know about Vasudha?
Yes.
You must be participating in Vasudha. Yes. We started Vasudha in 2006. 2006 is now it is 2026.
Yeah.
We have got 110 patents. We have got copyrights. And our children write in journal, international journals.
Yeah.
So this is the power of Vasudha. I know, कहते हैं innovation से, like one of your senior, Shivam, when he was in class 8th, he invented the cleaning of the pipes, no? And now the government has funded his project.
Wow.
So what can you do? कहते हैं आपको चांस है। एमिटी में कितने बच्चों को चांस मिलता है स्कूल में कि to do hands-on activities, to invent, and the teachers and the principal is always to support you.
Yes.
Very less schools, and you are very fortunate that you are studying in Amity.
Thank you for your insightful words, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So my question is that, while education continues, what changes and trends excite you the most?
But this year the class 9th में जो changes आए, they are very good. I am very, very happy. I tell you why. Class 9th में they have introduced the Kaushal Vikas. That is very good for all of you because it's a hands-on activities. You are learning you will be learning the practicality of life. आजकल कहते हैं nowadays what you learn your theories, but there is or you are on the social media or you are watching the movie. But now in class 9th onward, you will be doing Kaushal Vikas, you will be doing agriculture, you will be learning about man and machine. ठीक है ना? So you will be learning different activities that you will enjoy definitely. Then you will be closer to the nature. When you will do agriculture, you will be close to the nature, and that will give you happiness. NEP में बहुत अच्छा है कहते हैं. Then the second thing, they have introduced Hindi, the native language. It is very important to study native language. Very important. Nowadays we learn. You have to learn the language, English language. for the international, we have to go, we have to compete with the international. That's why it is very important to learn the English language. But it is equally important to learn your native language. Then you will come to know more about yourself and more about your country. To know about yourself, to know about your country, it is very, very important. That means you are seeing inward, not only outward. When you see the Western world, but now you will see your own country and your own self.
A very good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, there's been one question I've been yearning to ask you all day long. Ma'am, what is one life lesson you wish to share with every Amitian and why that?
देखिए ना, कहते हैं कि आपको हमारे फाउंडर दे हैव मेड अ फार्मूला नाउ. Everybody knows about the भाग formula.
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें we have got the behavioral science. So important. You can win the world through your behavioral science. आपके नंबर से नहीं विन कर सकते वर्ल्ड. Through your behavioral science you can win the world. Through your hard work you can win the world. Hard work is very important. पर hard work के साथ behavioral science नहीं होगा ना, वो combination नहीं होगा, तभी भी नहीं हो सकता. That combination is very important. And attitude. You can be 100% topper, but your attitude is not good. Again, you cannot be a happy person. You cannot be a successful person. ठीक है ना? Attitude is very important. कितने लोग होते हैं ना, अरे हो ही नहीं सकता, not possible, you can't do this, I can't do this, ये क्या नई चीज आ गई है. And generally you see, if you introduce anything in your family or in the school or in your country, people will protest. People will protest. But with a good attitude, आप कर रहे, अरे हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता? It can happen, everything happens. Work hard, be focused. Be focused. Believe in yourself. I can do it. Problems are going to come. Challenges are going to come. You will be knocked down. है ना, कितनी बार ऐसे होगा? But stand up again and believe in yourself and say I can do it. ये attitude होना चाहिए. My dream is not only sufficient. आपसे अरे मुझे तो ये बनना है. I want to be this and that. No, for fulfilling that dream, for that you have to work hard. Your behavioral science has to be good. No, if your behavioral science is not good, you cannot make your parents happy, you cannot make your teacher happy, you cannot make your friends happy, and you cannot make yourself happy. And big ambition in your life. No, मैं बार-बार मैं अब्दुल कलाम जी का मैं follow करती हूँ. No, he said, have a big aim, small aim is a crime. आपके पेरेंट्स ने इतना पैसा खर्च करते हैं आप लोगों के ऊपर, तो you should have a big aim, do for yourself and your country and your family. It is so important. Family, country, yourself. ये तीन चीज़ें बड़ी important होती हैं. नहीं तभी भगवान ने send you on the earth like a human being. इसलिए करे कुछ करके आओ. I've sent you as a human being. Don't waste your time. I tell you about your founder. Founder always said, I will कहते हैं कि in Germany he was very big. And here when he came especially to India. I will bring education to India in a different way. When we came here 90, 91, 94, Indian education system was very different. So that was his dream, to give the best education to his children. So now we are the largest education group in India. So that was his dream, to make education a big education chain in India, and he did it. That is your founder. मैं बाहर वालों का क्या कहूँ? Your founder did it. Because किस लिए? कैसे? Because of the hard work, because of the big aim, hard work, dedication, devotion, 100% devotion to the work. Right attitude, behavioral science, इन चीज़ों से he was able to do it. And I'm very confident my Amitians are going to make everything possible in their life, whatever you want to do, because you have all the qualities, because you are the responsible children of Amity, you are the responsible children of your family, you are the responsible children of your country, and you can do it. You can do it. Anything for Amity, nothing is impossible. When I see my children, what can I do for my children? तो God also listen. आप देख लो ना, एक डेडिकेशन होता है, डिवोशन होता है, एक चाहत होती है. If you have the चाहत, God also here. देखिए ना, मैंने आपको what I did, the Global Times. Everybody knows about the Global Times. Amity Children Science Foundation. Then you have ACCGC, Amity Career Counseling Cell. Then you have got the AERC. Do you know about the AERC? Amity Education Resource Center, the program for the international programs you do, and AIMUN every year. Do you participate?
Yes, ma'am.
Idea should be there, and then you should have the passion to bring it to the life. इसको मैं लाइफ में लेके आई हूँ. So वो पूरा डिवोशन और डेडिकेशन से होता है. अब वो कहते हैं एमिटी स्कूल्स दे हैड द बेस्ट ऑफ रिजल्ट. 2 बच्चों के 500 out of 500 आए. हाँ, इट नॉट इजी. आपका कहते हैं वी हैव गॉट मेनी 99, 98, 97, 96 and 100, तो so many we have. And Amity Global Schools also we had 45 out of 45. That means 100 out of 100. 2 children. And 44 out of 45, 43 out of 45. They gave the best. So this is Amity, this is your Amity. We should feel proud of ourselves that you are studying in Amity International School. God has given you this opportunity. Parents have given you this opportunity.
When you envision the future of your Amitians, what kind of legacy would you want to see them create in society and in the world?
When I started my career, in 1991 I started my career. Before that I was a homemaker, but totally devoted to my children and my education of my children. I knew exactly what the children require. So when I started my career, I used to talk to many people. Now I am in school education, actually what shall I do? किसने बताया extra curricular activities होनी चाहिए, it is good for total development of the child. I know. And the most important thing I asked, we wanted to make good human beings. You have to live with the open eyes and open ears. And you should hear your inner self. और तुम्हारी families के क्या values हैं? कहते you have to go according to your family values. Family is very important. अपने family, अपने country के roots से you should जुड़े रहना चाहिए. You should always be connected to your family. That brings you happiness. है ना? और मैंने legacy के लिए यही की. My Amitians should always be successful, happy, and कहते they should create around happiness and be successful. क्योंकि people respect only successful people. If you want to be respected, you have to work hard and make happy. और कहते हैं हमेशा मेरा 99 हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी, he says 2047 में इंडिया विल बी अ विकसित भारत. तो मैं एज अ चेयरपर्सन ऑफ एमिटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, आई डोंट नो, मैं अंदर से ही बोलती हूँ कि माई 99.9% माई एमिटियंस विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ मेकिंग इंडिया विकसित भारत. And what I say, it happens. यही तो है. I am just saying from my 91 से वो जो मैं चाहत होती है ना, चाहत होती है, this is my चाहत कि मेरे एमिटियंस जब इंडिया विकसित भारत बने तो 99.9% हमारे एमिटियंस. This legacy I want to create.
Thank you so
Because I
much.
love my family, I love my country, I love my school. So है ना, तो आप करेंगे ना? Very good, very good. Yeah, I'm happy that you all of you know what you are doing, what are you learning while doing. It's so important. Very good. Wish you all the best. God bless you. आप लोग जरूर जीत के आएंगे. और देखिए नहीं जीते तो कुछ बात नहीं. Next year, there is always a next year. Improve your कहते हैं कार का या communication. I don't know exactly, but see that what can you improve. You ask your कहते हैं your coaches, how can we do better? And work that we go for international level. So कहते हैं this will be our legacy. First year, second year and third year. This year again we go for the international competition. ठीक है ना? So wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.